G'day, I'm Mark from MK Security and Data. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Dahua CCTV system on your phone for remote access, so you can view your cameras anytime, anywhere. I'll also show you how to share access with others so you stay in control of who can view your system. This video is accurate as of May 2025, but in the future the exact wording and appearance might change slightly. I moved through the steps pretty quickly, so feel free to pause, rewind, and go at your own pace. Alright, let's jump into it. First things first, head to your app store and search for the app called DMSS. It's the one with the blue and white icon that says DMSS. Go ahead and download it, and once it's ready, open the app. When prompted, tap allow for notifications and again for critical alerts. Next, you will have to read and agree to the software license agreement. Swipe right 3 times to go through the introduction, and you'll reach a screen asking for your region. Tap OK on this pop-up, select Australia, and hit OK again in the top right-hand corner. Now tap Sign Up in the middle of the screen. Use an email address that you can access, as you will need it shortly. Then create a password that needs to be between 8 and 32 characters long, and include at least 2 types of characters. So for example, a number, a letter, and a symbol. Once your password is set, you'll need to read and agree to the registration agreement and select this box down the bottom, and then click Get Verification Code. Do one of these puzzles just to prove that you're not a robot, and then the app is going to send an email to the registered email address. Head to your inbox and look for an email from Dolink Care. If it's not there after a minute or two, check your junk or spam folder and refresh. Once you find the email, copy the code, then return to the app, enter your code, and click Done. After you log in, you'll get a few pop-ups. Tap Allow on Local Networks. Then on this permission request, click Don't Show Again, and then Got it. There's another quick verification. Yes, it is annoying, but it only happens once, and it's there to keep your system secure. Complete the next puzzle, and then you'll get another verification code sent to the same email address. Refresh your inbox, copy that code, enter it into the app, and then click OK. And that's it. You're now logged in, verified, and ready to add your cameras. Let's move on and connect your system. Select Add Device in the center of the screen and select SN Scan. Underneath your recorder, you will find your QR code. When you're trying to find this, just be gentle, as there's a hard drive inside the recorder, which is quite fragile. You may have also received your QR code from your installer. Also, if you have a monitor connected to the system, follow the steps on the right-hand side to locate your QR code. Once you've found it, use your phone to scan the QR code, which will enter the serial number. Click Next. Select NVR on the left-hand side, and then NVR again. Give your device a name, so normally home cameras, work, CCTV, something like that. And then enter your device password. This is not the DMSS app password you've created. This is the password that was created at installation. Click Save in the top corner and then Next. Then click Go to Home page. You'll see your device here. Click on Play to live view your cameras. Double click on one of the cameras to enlarge it to full screen. And then you can swipe through your cameras to see other ones connected on your system. Press back in the top left corner to get back to the home screen. You're now set. You've got your cameras set up on your app. Now we're going to run through how to share the device to other users. Whoever adds the device to their app first becomes the owner of that device. The owner can then share access to other users like family members or staff members. This is actually a really great security feature because it means that the owner can manage who has access to the system, and if the owner needs to, they can revoke someone's access. Before starting this process, the user should have already created an email address and account with DMSS. If they haven't already done that, go back and watch the video from the start and create an account for them. To share the device from the owner's phone, click on the three dots next to the play button and then click Share Device. You can then manually enter the email address of the user that you want to share the device to, or you can scan the user's QR code. To find the user's QR code on their phone, click on the Me tab in the bottom right hand corner, and then click on the QR code that you'll find in the top right hand corner. Then from the owner's phone, click on this little square to enable QR code scanning and scan the user's phone. You will then have the email address entered of the user, then click OK and share the device to that user. The guest user will receive a notification to say it's been shared to them. Click on the notification and then click back in the top left to get back to the home screen, where the user will then see the device there. They can then click play and do the live view, double click on a camera and swipe through to view other cameras on the system. Press back in the top left corner of both phones to return to the home screen. That's it. You have your app downloaded, account created, you've added the cameras to your app, and then you've shared it with other users. Watch our other videos on key features like how to set up live notifications, operating live view and playback, as well as arming and disarming of TOC cameras. Thanks for watching.